Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of the all-new 2026 Toyota Camry, a car that continues to push the boundaries of what a midsize sedan can offer. From its refreshed design to its refined performance and cutting-edge safety features, the Camry remains a strong contender in a highly competitive market. Let's get right into it. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Camry gets a bold and aggressive redesign that brings it closer to Toyota's premium lineup in terms of styling. The front fascia features a sleeker, more sculpted grille flanked by ultra-thin LED headlights that give the car a sharper, more athletic presence. The body lines are more dynamic than before, and available 19-inch alloy wheels and a wider stance contribute to a sportier profile. New color options and aerodynamic tweaks, including a subtle rear spoiler and integrated diffuser, not only make it visually appealing but also improve efficiency and road handling. Moving inside to the interior, Toyota has clearly stepped up its game. The cabin offers a clean, minimalist design with higher quality materials like soft touch surfaces, leather-trimmed seats, and real aluminum or wood accents depending on the trim. A new 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system sits prominently on the dash, running Toyota's latest interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are more supportive and spacious, and thanks to improved sound insulation, the cabin feels remarkably quiet even at highway speeds. Subtle ambient lighting and available panoramic glass roof add a sense of luxury, while practical touches like increased trunk space and smart storage solutions ensure functionality isn't compromised. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Camry offers multiple powertrains, including a re-engineered 2.5-liter inline-4, an updated 3.5-liter V6 for those who crave more power, and an even more efficient hybrid option. Toyota has recalibrated the suspension and steering for sharper handling, making it more engaging to drive while maintaining its signature smooth ride. The hybrid variant now delivers better fuel economy than ever, and the available all-wheel drive system provides extra confidence in varying road conditions without a major hit to efficiency. On the safety front, Toyota continues its strong reputation by including the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite as standard across all trims. This includes advanced features like pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and even a new proactive driving assist system that subtly helps manage acceleration and braking in everyday conditions. There's also an available 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring drivers are protected from all angles. As for the unique selling points, what really sets the 2026 Camry apart is its blend of sporty aesthetics, fuel-efficient powertrains, and class-leading reliability wrapped into a more premium-feeling package. Toyota's attention to detail in improving both driving dynamics and interior comfort gives it an edge over competitors, especially when combined with the brand's legendary resale value and low cost of ownership. For hybrid lovers, the upgraded hybrid system offers impressive MPG figures without sacrificing performance, making it one of the most versatile sedans on the market. In terms of price, the 2026 Camry starts at around $28,000 for the base LE trim and can go up to roughly $40,000 for the fully loaded XSE V6 and hybrid variants, which is very competitive considering the level of tech, safety, and performance you're getting. To wrap things up in the conclusion, the 2026 Toyota Camry is more than just a safe, reliable choice. It's now a stylish, tech-packed, and surprisingly fun-to-drive sedan that caters to a broad range of drivers. Whether you're after efficiency, comfort, or a touch of sportiness, the Camry has something to offer. If you're in the market for a mid-size sedan that balances practicality with excitement, this latest iteration definitely deserves a top spot on your shortlist.